Mm-hmm.
The yellow light is on. That's a little bit hard to tell.
Power's on. It's hot.
And I should push this?
Go ahead.
Oh,
It's smoking. Oh, it's
The
smoking.
one on the left isn't burning though, Dad.
It's got to work its way over.
No.
It's blue black. I don't know. Let's see. Oh, so cool.
Why isn't the one on the left burning, Dad?
I don't know yet. Maybe we... Oh, it's smoking a little bit. Give it a chance.
It's starting. Why did it take longer? Is it connected?
Oh.
You shouldn't breathe all that smoke in, Dad. It's probably not good.
Yeah.
It's going very slowly. I suppose that's a good thing.
Oh, it's a great pattern. It is a little smoky. We may want to hook up a fan, blow the smoke out.
It's going towards you, so it's fine. I mean, I like how the pattern looks on the left, or the red clip. But it is going very, very slowly. Didn't the ones in the videos go faster?
Maybe they sped them up. Maybe they're closer together. Maybe they're high voltage. I don't know. Maybe they soak the board more so they have more electrolyte. Oh, this is awesome. My phone is